Hi everyone, I'm ready to teach our Saxon lesson for today. We are taking it really slow with Saxon, so you know it will start speeding up next week, okay? Everything will start speeding up. Saxon, math, reading, it's all gonna start speeding up. So enjoy it while it's slow. Alright, so let's go over our picture cards and sight word cards, okay? So we have apple. You have to say it after me. Apple. Acorn. Elephant. Equal. Inch. Icicle. Octopus. Overalls. Umbrella. Unicorn. All right. Those are our vowels. Now let's do our letter cards, going over what the vowels are. A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Vowels. I'm sorry, what we're going over this today are consonants. So consonants are anything that are not vowels. So anything that is not A, E, I, O, or U is a consonant. So I need you guys to go ahead and take out this piece of this paper. Okay, it says at the top worksheet 3. All right, so we're going to go over the consonant sounds. So number 1 says monkey. What sound does monkey start with? Monkey. That's a M. M is a consonant. So we're going to write M. Please make sure you're doing this with pencil. I'm doing it with pen so you can see it. All right, fish. What letter is that? F. Jar. J. Balloon. B. Vest. V. Okay, so we said vest, v, and then sun, s, goat, g, hat, rabbit, pig, zebra, z, wagon, w, nest, yarn, y, lion, o, oops, cat, k, kite, k, dog, d, tent, t. Okay, that's how your paper should look. These are called what? These are called consonants. Consonants is anything that is not a vowel. What's a vowel? A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So let's go over all of our consonants. I want you to say these with me, okay? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, we skipped I is a vowel, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, oops, V, W, Y, Z. Those are all of our consonants, okay? So consonants. Now, when you go to the back, again, you're going to do what we do always. You're going to read the words. These are your sight words from last year. You should know how to read them. If you know how to read them, check. And then try to spell it. And then if you know how to spell it, check. If you spell it incorrectly, then just write it 3 times each year. Okay? I'm going to challenge some of you guys. If you already know how to read and write all of these, then I want to see if you can make a sentence using make 3 sentences using 3 of these words. So I'm going to make 1 sentence and show you what I mean. So I'm going to use the word said. And I'm going to use the word the. I'm going to use 2 of these sight words in 1 sentence. So I'm going to say, the cat said meow. And then I'm going to circle the sight words I used. I used the and I used said. The cat said meow. When somebody is saying something, you use these 2 marks. What are these called? These are called these are called quotation marks. Quotation marks. That means somebody is talking. Meow. And then whenever you use quotation marks, you have to put a comma first. Okay? All right, so the cat said meow, period. Make sure you have your period and make sure that the first letter in the sentence is capital, okay? All right, try to use as many words as you can in your sentences, but I do want 3 sentences with at least 1 of these words in it. If you can do more, that's awesome. Okay, that's just a challenge I'm going to ask you to do. So today I'm going to ask you to do 3 sentences if you can. All right, that's it right there. Tomorrow we're going to do some more from lesson 3, and I don't really want to dive into lesson 4 until Monday because it's a bigger lesson. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you later.